Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to buy PlayStation gift card online. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome and search for PlayStation gift card. Now, scroll down until you find PlayStation's official website. Then here, click on the gift cards. And this will take you directly to the PlayStation website. Next, scroll down and click Buy Gift Cards. And after that, your device may go through a quick verification process. And once verified, you'll need to add a friend, enter your friend's name and your name, then click Buy a digital gift card. And now, select a gift card design. Then choose Select Amount. Pick the card value that you'd like $10, $25, and more, and the quantity. You can also add a message if you'd like to personalize it. Then choose who is it for. Then proceed to the next page. Here you can send the gift card by email or get a link to share. Enter your friend's email or your own. Then select the delivery date. Next, click Add to Cart, then Check Out. Choose your payment method and finally, click Place My Order. And once your payment has been processed, you're all set. That's how you buy a PlayStation gift card online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.